Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Ryujinx is updated and you have the console firmware installed. This ensures controller inputs map correctly. Next, connect your Xbox controller, use USB for lowest latency or Bluetooth for convenience, and make sure Windows recognizes it under devices. Once done, open Ryujinx and check input settings. Select the controller backend you prefer and load or create a Pro controller profile, so button mappings align with switch expectations. You now configure mappings so a /B and X/Y match switch layout. This prevents wrong actions in-game. In Ryujinx input, pick Pro controller and manually map each button or load a community profile. Be precise with triggers and shoulder buttons. Then adjust analog dead zones and sensitivity to avoid drift, and calibrate sticks using the test panel so motion feels natural. Once configured, save the profile under a clear name and run a brief input test in-game or the built-in tester You finish by testing the controller across several games to ensure consistent behavior. Different titles may need slight tweaks, so maintain multiple profiles. If you encounter latency or dropouts, try a different USB port, a high-quality cable, or reinstall the Xbox driver. Bluetooth can be less reliable. If buttons act strangely, reset the mapping and repair the controller to Windows, then reload the saved profile. This often clears conflicts and restores normal input behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.